The design and specifications of the iPhone 12 series have been leaked. Sonny Dixon, one of the most famous and trusted sources of leaks about Apple products, responsible for the large-scale leak of iPhone 5s and iPhone 5C layouts at the time, has published on his Twitter page several pictures of the future iPhone 12 series in 3 models: 5.4-inch iPhone 12, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max and iPhone 12 Pro, and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. In the photos, you can see that the design is familiar to the style of the iPhone 4. In addition, the rear camera compartment has been preserved from last year. The leaker notes that the number of cameras may be inaccurate. Most likely, the 5.4-inch model should receive a dual camera. Recall, early rumors claim that all 4 smartphones will be equipped with a 5nm A14 Bionic chipset, while the Pro series models will be equipped with displays supporting 120Hz refresh rates. According to rumors, this year Apple will release 4 new iPhones at once. The younger models of the iPhone 12 should arrive with a display with a diagonal of only 5.4 inches. And the iPhone 12 Max and iPhone 12 Pro with a 6.1-inch screen are also expected. The bigger version of the iPhone 12 Pro Max will be equipped with a screen diagonal of 6.7 inches. Now there is information on resolution, pixel density and screen manufacturers. The standard iPhone 12 will receive a 5.4-inch display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels with a pixel density of 475 ppi. The iPhone 12 Max and iPhone 12 Pro will receive a 6.1-inch screen with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels and a pixel density of 460 ppi. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch screen with a resolution of 2778 x 1284 pixels with a pixel density of 458 ppi. In addition, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro will receive Samsung display screens, while the iPhone 12 Max will be equipped with LG Display or BO. Since the first batch of panels from BO has not yet been tested by Apple, the first iPhone 12 Max smartphones can only get LG screens. iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will receive screens with 10-bit color depth, as well as a maximum image refresh rate of 120 Hz. In addition, all 4 models will be equipped with a single-chip Apple A14 system. It will be produced according to the standards of a 5nm process. Also, the iPhone 12 is expected to start at $649. All these iPhone models will be unveiled this fall. But we expect that the company may face some shortage of production in the first weeks. That's it in this video, talk to you in the next one, peace out.